Welcome to Internet-Based Controller Lab 4. Session today, we about to learn how to do Lab 4 and some notes that are related to this lab work. Now let's take a look at the objective. Upon completion of this practical work, students should be able to write codes to establish a connection to the Internet and display data from sensor to web browser successfully. What are the contents first? Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. Second one, the GET method and the POST method. Third one, ESP32, operating modes. Let's look at the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is perhaps the most popular application protocol used in the Internet, or the web. Darchen HTTP is an asymmetric request-response client-server protocol as illustrated. An HTTP client sends a request message to an HTTP server. The server, in turn, returns a response message. In other words, HTTP is a pull protocol. The client pulls information from the server, instead of server pushes information down to the client. Now let's see the GET method and the POST method. GET is used to request data from a specified resource. GET is one of the most common HTTP methods. 2. Some other notes on GET requests. GET requests can be cached. GET requests remain in the browser history. GET requests can be bookmarked. GET requests should never be used when dealing with sensitive data. GET requests have length restrictions. GET requests is only used to request data, not modify. The POST method. POST is used to send data to a server to create or update a resource. The data sent to the server with POST is stored in the request body of the HTTP request. This is the example. URL POST is one of the most common HTTP methods. Some other notes on POST requests. POST requests are never cached. POST requests do not remain in the browser history. POST requests cannot be bookmarked. POST requests have no restrictions on data length. ESP32 operating modes. The main thing that we need to know here is 1. Station mode, 2. Soft access point mode, 3. And both at the same time. This provides possibility of building mesh networks. Now, let's get to the video.
Practical work for DEC 5013 to Internet-Based Controller. Part A, Controlling LED using Web Server. For Part A, we need to have two LEDs and two resistor. The component we need are two LED, two resistor, jumper wire, breadboard, cable micro, ESP32. Step 1. Build the circuit. Fix the two LEDs in breadboard with the two resistors. Make sure resistor must be connect the negative. Fix the jumper wire in negative line 4 to connect to the ground. By using jumper wires, connect the LED pin to PO26 and PO27 on your ESP32. Lastly, use your cable micro to connect the ESP32 to your device for upload the code. Step 2. Program the coding. Install libraries. Importing libraries. Setup condition. Loop condition. Displaying the HTML web page. Styling the web page. Setting the web page first heading. Displaying the buttons and corresponding state. Closing the connection. Step 3. Upload the coding. Click the serial monitor. Step 4. Finding the IP address. Step 5. Accessing the web server. Last step. Test the results in web server. Practical work part has been successful. You're awesome. Part B. ESP3 to DHT11 temperature. Sensor web server. Circuit Part B. The component. Jumper wire. Breadboard. Cable micro. ESP32. DHT11. Resistor. Step 1. Build the circuit. First, fix the DHT11 in breadboard. Make sure the connection for the pin must be correct. First pin VCC, second pin output that connects to GPIO27, third pin is ground. Fix the resistor in breadboard. Follow the output row in DHT11. Resistor must be fixed in positive. Gray GND, yellow GPIO27, green VCC. Lastly, use your cable micro to connect the S3 to your device for upload the code. Step 2. Program the coding. Make sure you already installed the HT sensor library. Step 3. Upload the coding. Click the serial monitor. Step 4. Finding the IP address. Step 5. Accessing the web server. Last step. Test the results in web server. Practical work for successful. You did it. Good jobs.
What is the full form of IoT? A. Internet of Technology. B. Incorporate of Things. C. Internet of Things. Did you get it correct? Okay, let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Internet of Things. Now let's see the second question. What is the function of HTTP? A. Transfer data over the web. B. Designed web browser. C. Create a unique browser. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is A. Transfer the data over the web. Next question is in part A. Which GPIO should connected to ESP32 for two LEDs? A. D4 and D2B, GPIO 26 and GPIO 27. C. GPIO 15 and GPIO 20. The correct answer is B, GPIO 26 and GPIO 27. Next question. In part B, which sensor detect the temperature? A, DHT11 sensor. B, actuators. C, ultrasonic sensor. Correct answer A, DHT11 sensor.
Microtamba Remix.